Then we see, as we have created a database, selecting the country, Spain, the default taxes of the country are created. As you see here, these are the taxes that we have in Spain. If in case you select, for example, United States, you will see the taxes by default for this country and for the corresponding region. We are going to configure one restaurant, so I would suggest to include taxes to our menu, as well as work with tables. Now it will be time to configure the peripherals. The current restaurant vertical allows us to configure the next peripherals, for example, printer. I will select the printer Hyopos, which we presented in the last international convention of ICG Group. This printer is mainly characterized for emitting a sound, previously configured every time that is printing one receipt. So currently we have these sounds in 3 languages, English, French, and Spanish. First of all, I will need to select which connection we are going to use. For example, USB port. Or local network. And for example, we can test it. Okay. In order to make that these sounds are displayed when we print, we need to put here the sound. So I will the English ones, for example, are 6 and 5. So I will leave 5 and I will test again in order that you can hear it.
Your ticket. Thank you.
Okay. As you see here, we have more peripherals like cash drawer that we can connect it to the printer or directly to the Hyopos device, as well as barcode reader, okay, display or kite reader for the employees clock in and clock out. Then we also can create kitchen printers. Okay, in the restaurant that we are configuring, some plates will be need to prepare in kitchen, meaning that we need to create different kitchen situation. So for example, we might create cold kitchen situation and, for example, hot. So I'm going to edit and I will put cold. With the same configuration as before. I will test again. Okay. I will edit again the name. Okay. Here we will put the Hyopos as well. With the sound 5. And the name will be called kitchen situation. Sorry, hot. Perfect. Let's continue. You have more than 2 kitchen situations, but for this scenario, we are going to use just 2. Okay, now the program is asking us in order that we would like to import items from one USB file, for example. As we want to use the tools from Hyopos, we are not going to use this function, but as you should know, there's the option to import items from a CSV file from one USB.